Now you understand. What do you understand? That guy is crazy. Hold on. Mind, you are devoted to the intellect, to the self knowledge. Can you have a different expression? Yes, I can have a different expression. Now you are repeating that guy is crazy and crazy and crazy. So what happened? Now that emotions in the mind has created an image about a person, and you are bound to live in anxiety sooner or later. My kids are not listening to you. Why they should listen to you? Why they should listen to you? My honey is not listening to me. Why he or she should listen to? Why don't you listen to yourself? Mind. Married, mind failed. Are you getting it? Here goes. So, what we are doing, I cannot get up in the morning. No, I cannot attend the session. Really? What you are talking about? We know how many triggers you have which you don't recognize. You are failing and you have a different excuse. Today I have a headache and today this thing. Ah, we know it. So now that trigger creates a pattern of blame and complaint and reaction and anxiety and duality and a conflict. No, I'm busy, that's why I'm not attending the session. You are on a call to a guy, to your client and a customer who says, I'm going to send you phone hangs up because you know your mind has a trigger of $10,000 the client is going to send you. So you try, you get worried, you get into anxiety. You miss the session, you have no anxiety at all. I'm just giving you the way our mind behaves and acts. What we notice, what we ignore. Closed, your eyes are closed. I'm listening to you. So I will also start giving you a lesson with eyes closed. To marriage ceremony, if they do not take place, your external marriage, complete the sentence. Your external marriage. Can you complete? External marriage is causing to the anxiety, duality, and a conflict in my life, whether it is in relationship or whether it is professional, social, family, and a long list. One woman from Pennsylvania, she wrote to me, I have to deal with narcissist, if I'm speaking correctly, narcissist person in my home who is my husband. Trigger. I will always deal, the moment I deal with my honey, I have that image. Can I get rid of that image first? In my head, the mind is not married to the intellect. So that is why I have an anxiety and stress. You are blaming someone else. So let me take care of my mind. And then I have yet to respond to her. So I was thinking, looking back and seeking more information.